in this video we are going to design this banner for Christmas. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to design this, and if you are a beginner you can watch this video also, because I will tell you everything step by step so you can do this thing easily. And I am going to divide this video into two parts. So basically one part is for Photoshop where we design this banner, and second part for After Effects where we will animate this. If you're interested in After Effects, so you can watch that video also, otherwise you can leave that. So without any further, let's jump into it. So here we are in Photoshop and we will be designing this banner, as you can see here now. So we will create a new project. You can give here any name, then make sure it is pixels and width 1080, height 1080, resolution 300. Then click on this create. So here we have to give a gradient just like this. You can see in the background red color, and before making this video I have given too much time here to make this banner, so I will copy this color code from this banner. So just double click on color and click here, so you will get this color. Hit OK, then double click on this dark, and this is color code. Hit OK. Unlock your background layer, go to FX and click on this gradient overlay. Click on this panel and choose basics and click on this first gradient. So basically this is from here, whatever color you have here, so this will give you gradient in the first line. So make sure you have color in here. Hit OK. Now you can see my setting of the gradient. So make sure it is same, or you can choose your own gradient. Hit OK. Yeah, perfect. Now lock it. Then we have to put here some images, some elements which is related to Christmas. So here I have 4 images. So I guess you are thinking that this is very easy to make banner because you have images, you have color, so you can do easily. But for your information, I have given too much time for this banner. These 4 images took me almost 1 day, and almost 1 day I have finished this banner, Christmas banner. To find color, to find elements, to find text, font, almost 1 day this banner took me. So just drag these images into your project, hit enter and drag it down. Then press Ctrl T and little large it like this. Hit enter. Now press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T, hold your shift key to move straight, right click and click on this flip vertical, then hold shift and move like this. Hit enter. Then we will drag our second element. So select any selection tool and make a selection for this bomb. Press Ctrl J, then delete older layer. Now press Ctrl T, sorry, you have to select this bomb layer. Press Ctrl T and zoom it, then drag it here and little rotate it. Perfect. Now press Ctrl J, press Ctrl T and move it here. Right click, click on this flip horizontal. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate, then Ctrl T and move it here. And basically we can delete this part and just select all the images, press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T and move it up, right click, click on this flip vertical. So we have same elements. Then our second element, so we have to separate these 2 elements. So this is only one layer. Selection tool, make a selection for this, press Ctrl X. Before pressing Ctrl X, make sure you have rasterize layer, so click on this rasterize layer and then press Ctrl X, then Ctrl Shift V. So we have this separate layer and this one is also separate. Then this dotted line is not visible, so I will make it again. So delete this, press Ctrl D, and then select pen tool, press P, then make sure it is shape, close the fill and open a stroke by yellow color, then make it 3, and this line should be this one. Now press A to select this anchor point and move it little up. Perfect. Select this layer, go to FX and click on this gradient overlay. Now click on this panel, click on this icon, double click on it and choose this golden dark color. Hit OK, then click on this, double click, light color. Put this at 50, then duplicate this, hold Alt key and put it here like this. Hit OK and put it here. So we have this color. Hit OK. Nice. Now visible your second layer, then press Ctrl T to enlarge it like this. Nice. Select both the layers and put it here. Nice. Here we have elements. So then select these elements, then press Ctrl Alt and drag. Hold your Shift key. Press Ctrl T, right click, click on this flip horizontal. Hit enter. Now change some elements here. Yeah, just like this. It's time to write our text. So type here cell, and my font is Gotham Black. You can download this font from any website, it's all free, and make it white color. Hit OK. Press Ctrl A, then go to move tool and click on this line button, then press Ctrl D. Make it little small, so give here 60 and align it again. Almost fine. Then duplicate this text and write here Christmas. Then change the font, this one, Ray Church. I don't know how to pronounce it. So then this text, I think this one is paid, so don't worry, I will give the link in the description below. You can download it. So then select all the text for this Christmas, then click on this box icon and click on this A symbol. Perfect. Hit enter. Press Ctrl T, then go to FX and click on this gradient overlay to give here little golden color, just like this. Now right click on this text and click on this rasterize layer style. Then go to this icon and choose hue saturation. And don't forget to click on this icon, then change some hue or saturation. Yeah, just like this. Perfect. Then click on this pen tool and make a line here. Click on this line icon and click on it and put it down. Press A, then choose white color. Perfect. Now duplicate this text and write here. Then font will be 10 and make it Poppins Poppins medium, hit enter and put it here in the center. Now select this line icon, line layer, so here it is. Then click on this selection tool and make it little free. Then again press Alt, then click. Yeah, this is fine. Then make it golden font, so just go to effects and click on this gradient overlay. So I will delete this and put it here. Hit OK and click on this reverse icon. So we can select all the text, then press Ctrl T and enlarge it like this and put it little up, and this should be something little up. Then I can put this logo here, obviously. Then these elements will be here. Go to effects and click on this color overlay and make a red dark color like this. Press Ctrl Alt and drag to duplicate. Press Ctrl T. Then it's time to give here little adjustment layer. So click on this layer, go to this icon and click on this hue saturation and click on this icon and change some hue. Then duplicate this effect and put it down above the second green this image. So here you can see this is my this image layer and this is my effect. So then right click on your effect, here, and click on this create clipping mask. So you can see here. Then choose your background layer, unlock it, right click on it, click on this rasterize layer style, go to this icon and choose hue saturation. Now you can choose some colors whatever you want. So I will change a little bit in the red. Yeah, this is looking fine to me. And we can give a drop shadow to this layer. So go to effects and click on this drop shadow and don't give here too much, just a little bit. Decrease opacity. Like this, a little bit to touch of shadow. So right click and click on this copy layer style, click on this layer, right click and paste layer style. So here we have also shadow and we will give on it. So select all three these layers, these yellow layers, and right click on it and click on this paste layer style. And also here select all three layers, right click and click on this paste layer style. Perfect, almost done. So maybe little change of the color. And now go to file and click on this save a copy. Then first of all you have to choose your location, then make sure you have saved this PSD file, so make it Photoshop, then give here the name, then click on this save. After that click on this PSD, then choose PNG, then save here. So I will change the location here, then click on this save, hit OK. So let's see our design. So here it is. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And if you want to watch more videos, I have uploaded too many videos. Watch out my playlist. So I will meet you in the next video.